Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to create a Microsoft account in just a few minutes, whether you're setting it up for Windows, Outlook, Xbox, or even Office 365. Dad Nan, it's quick, it's free, and it gives you access to everything Microsoft. So if you're ready to unlock the full power of your Windows PC or Microsoft services, make sure to watch till the end. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, click on the first link in the description, and you will come to this website. Here you have to enter an email on which you want to create your account. Enter your email and click Next. Now Microsoft will send an echo to your email. Enter that code here. Now add your country and date of birth. Enter your name and click Next. Now it will ask for a simple verification. Read this and then click OK. Click on Skip for now. And congratulations, our account has been created successfully. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.